Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you a webhook listener that captures every call event from your dialer, deduplicates the records in real time, and writes structured data to Google Sheets automatically. Call data lives in the dialer dashboard and never makes it to reporting, so leadership is always flying blind on activity. This automation solves it. Let me walk you through how it works.
This is a walkthrough of a project called my Webhook Listener, which integrates Ringover webhook data with our Google Sheet for campaigns. This project that I've completed for a client that takes webhook information from, in this case, Ringover, and processes that data through various filters that then allows us to classify various Google Sheets filled with campaign information with the proper tagging information that's derived from Ringover. So when a call center performs calls, those calls are received through the webhook and then processed through for whether or not it's a brand new month, in which case it creates a brand new Google Sheet, or if it's within the existing months, it goes through and Ringover performs two types of webhooks, one for the initial call, which is logged here, and then one for the subsequent call where all the tag information is, which is then logged here into the same Google Sheet, and then we keep a running total back into internal databases. This can be easily adapted for any type of call center type webhook information, as well as any endpoint database on the other side. If you have any questions, please let me know. I look forward to hearing from you.
So that's the call accounting logger in action. You'll be amazed how much manual work disappears when the right automation kicks in. Visit 1LTX.com and schedule a call. We'll scope it, size it, and give you a straight price.